In this video, we are going to see how we can fix this virtual disk manager data error, which is cyclic redundancy check. So let's see a couple of methods that might solve this problem for you, whether you are using Windows 10, 11, or any other version. So this error usually is caused in the external hard drives or USB drives. So it doesn't matter wherever it shows. We'll see and find out a couple of solutions for that. So first of all, what we'll do is just open up the start menu and right here CMD, right click to run as administrator, click yes. And we will write a simple command here. We will write here chkdsk. Just make sure to write the correct spelling, give a space, then write D. We will write colon sign, then give a space and then write /F, then give a space again. Write /R, give a space again, /X, hit enter, and this will take some time. It says 0% completed, so just sit back and relax while it completes that. Now once the process is complete, just close out of here and you just try accessing or use your drive again and you should have no problem. But if you did, let's move on to the problem or solution 2. And here we will choose the file explorer, select the drive, right click and click on the properties and go to the tools tab, and from here we will click on the check button in the error checking and you just click on scan and repair the drive. It will automatically scan and remove any problems or errors in the drive. Click close and that should solve the problem too. Click OK. So these solutions might work for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.